Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video.
This driver wasn't paying attention, saw traffic moving, and just hit the gas. This sedan driver had the audacity to double down that it wasn't her fault.
I don't think a single driver would be ready for that.
A few moments later.
When the police are chasing you, you should stop, right? This driver thinks they own the road and can drive however they want. I had my blinker on to turn left, waiting for pedestrians to cross.
12 seconds later.
As soon as I start turning, a pickup comes from behind and cuts me off on the left side. It's almost like they should make a rule saying you shouldn't drive on the shoulder of a highway. This driver is paying attention to the road when you go, but the other one didn't want to wait. This idiot cut me off because I didn't let her in, but she didn't even signal. Why can't people be more careful while driving?
Is that the bigger one?
Look at this idiot, man. Eh?
Where's he going?
He's at that Pence boss, look. Yeah.
Jaguar?
Apparently, red lights are just a suggestion nowadays. Why exactly did I get honked at?
What the fuck are you doing?
You know, the street.
Do you not see the people on the crosswalk walking?
Did you see the people already
Do you not
crossed
see
in
the
front of me?
cross people? What are you doing?
What
Why are
the
you getting up your truck?
What the is your horn blowing at me?
Because
for?
there's people walking.
You worry about your truck.
Because there's people walking.
You worry about your
It's
truck.
not about the truck, it's about the people.
Don't worry about my truck.
Your
Worry
truck.
about yours.
I don't give a shit about your truck.
Well,
I
fuck
give a
your
shit about the people.
Your horn.
It's about the people.
Blow me and not your horn.
People.
People, they've already passed me,
People.
Pedestrian gets annoyed when the car doesn't yield on green.
Straight six.
Twenty minutes later.
Why are you even trying to turn into my lane? This driver passes in the breakdown lane of the exit ramp, then cuts across the ramp back to the main travel lanes.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.